Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll walk you through exactly how to create a CSV file using both Excel and Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to convert any spreadsheet you're working on into the universally recognized CSV format, making data sharing, importing, and compatibility across different software a breeze. Whether you're sending info to a colleague, uploading a list to a new app, or backing up your data, mastering CSV files is a super handy skill to have. Let's dive right in and start with Excel. If you have your data all set up in an Excel spreadsheet, the process is pretty straightforward. First, make sure the file you want to convert is open. It doesn't matter if it's a fresh document or something you've been working on for a while, just have it ready in Excel. Next, head up to the File menu in the top left of your screen. When you click File, you'll see a list of options, and what you're looking for is Save As. This option lets you tell Excel how and where to save your data, and more importantly, in what format. Once you click Save As, you'll be prompted to pick a location. Hitting the Browse button is helpful here because it lets you pick any folder on your computer, whether that's your documents, desktop, or even a USB drive if you want to keep the file portable. Now, and this is important, take a look at the Save As Type drop-down menu below the file name box. By default, Excel wants to save in its own special format, but we're going to change that. Scroll through the list and select CSV, delimited, asterisk CSV. What this does is tell Excel to strip out formatting like colors and fonts and just save the raw text and numbers separated by commas. That's super useful when you need your data to be simple and readable by lots of different programs. When you're ready, click Save. Depending on your data, Excel might prompt you with a little warning that some formatting features will be lost. Don't worry, that's totally normal and expected. CSV is all about keeping it simple. Once you hit OK, you've officially created a CSV file from your Excel spreadsheet. You can now use this file in all sorts of applications, upload it online, or share it via email. Now let's talk about Google Sheets. Maybe you prefer working in the cloud or you've got your data in a Google Sheet instead of Excel. The steps are just as easy. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure everything is arranged the way you want it, columns lined up, headers clear, since your CSV file will reflect exactly what's currently in your sheet. Then go to the File menu at the top left, which opens up a drop-down menu with lots of options. You want to hover over or click on Download. Here, Google Sheets offers a bunch of formats, but you're looking for the one that says comma-separated values, CSV. Once you click that, the magic happens. Your CSV file downloads instantly, usually to your browser's default download folder. It's that simple, no extra prompts to worry about. Just make sure to check your downloads folder or whatever location your browser uses for new files. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you're using Excel or Google Sheets, you can easily create a CSV file in just a few steps. Remember, CSVs are super useful for sharing clean, universal data, so it's a skill that'll come in handy again and again. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see tutorials on other spreadsheet skills, drop a comment below. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.